Kayaknya during Hey guys, it's Livia Renata and welcome back to Neror. Hari ini I'll be taking over for today's Booktober. Terus karena hari ini itu like such a special Halloweeny event, I decided to use my Kuromi headbands. Anyways, let's get started. Jadi dari dulu sampai sekarang, a lot of people are playing games kayak buat hiburan atau kalau misalnya kalian lagi stress, like super stressed, and then you're like, okay, maybe I should do something to let my stress out, gitu kan? And a lot of these people yang main game juga mereka actually like to share what they're playing through live stream. Contohnya YouTube, Nimo TV, Twitch, and so many other live streaming applications kayak gitu kan. Tapi little do they know, kadang tuh kalau misalnya kita lagi main something alone, and usually kalau gamers kan suka gelap gitu kan. There's usually creatures kayak makhluk-makhluk di belakang kalian gitu yang nggak ikut main game sih, tapi kayak ikut nonton gitu kan. So without further ado, I'm gonna be talking about these rare occurrences where live streamers itu ada penampakan atau ada experience yang aneh. Hari ini kita bakal talk about some of the sightings kayak penampakan gitu that gamers have experienced during their live streaming. So without further ado, stop senyum-senyum because shit's about to go down. So the first live streamer we have is called Conman167. He's a Canadian live streamer by the name of Connor, and he's active on YouTube and Twitch. He usually talks about dunia wrestling atau gulat. Jadi dia tuh kerjanya suka riak-riak ke pertandingan gulat sampai memainkan game gulat. So one fine day on 29th November 2016, dia tuh lagi live streaming and he was talking about jeda-jeda iklan yang ada gitu kan. But in the middle of him talking about this, tiba-tiba ada something like there. So I have the video right here and langsung aja kita nonton ya. Duh, takut banget lagi.
Commercial break. Why? Seriously, like they run their entrances and they leave a commercial. Like, I'd be okay having a commercial break over an entrance, right?
I don't know what I'm
Have somebody
expecting.
enter after that, and not have a commercial break during the match. Like, you know what I mean? Like, did anybody else just see that? That was weird.
Ada apa sih?
That was weird. I could have swore I saw like this white line.
Oh yeah,
just,
I saw the white line
all
tadi.
down back here. That was weird. Just like this big long white line, just like float down.
Yeah, I saw like a white line tadi kan guys, yang kayak gitu. Did you see that? Yeah, that's kind of weird. Tapi kalau misalnya me on that situation, I would probably be like, ya mungkin it's just like my imagination. Teman sampai ketangkep kamera gitu agak serem juga ya guys. So in my personal opinion, it's actually probably like something yang lewat kayak debu gitu. Tapi you shouldn't really trust me, I guess. I'm very simple-minded. Jadi bukan simple-minded sih, lebih ke gak mau pikirin gitu kan. Jadi kalau misalnya ada sesuatu yang di sana, just be like, yeah, maybe that was the air gitu loh. Tapi I juga ingat one of my cousins itu pernah lagi main game. Terus katanya ada kayak this makhluk lewat. It looked like a towel, kayak laundryan gitu. Tapi katanya orang pintar, things like that, kalau ditangkap itu, they can bring you luck. But I'm not sure. But anyways, let's talk about the next one. So the second live streamer we'll be talking about itu, he goes by the name of Thor H13. He is from Danville, Illinois, and he was a streamer who often live streamed games on his Twitch, ranging from World of Warcraft, Starfield, Valorant, Call of Duty, and many more. Jadi in one of his live streams, he was playing this game called Fever Dreams. Terus, nothing happened during like the first few parts of the game. Tapi before ending chapter 2, tiba-tiba ada sesuatu aneh nih guys. So, mari kita buka videonya rame-rame ya, biar nggak serem-serem banget.
And I'm gonna end it here guys. Thank you for watching the stream. Make sure you hit that follow button. If you're watching on YouTube, so apps, hit that subscribe button, man. Check out all the other games and videos that I make and whatnot. You know what I mean? Alright guys, it's your big man for H13. Sign out. Peace! That was a good game. I liked it. We finished 2 chapters.
Ini di zoom agak serem sih.
We finished 2 chapters. Well, guys, if
Eh.
you
Bonekanya jatuh tiba-tiba.
who's that?
The was that? Gimana guys menurut kalian? Do you think that it was a small animal kayak ada cicak yang lewat? Atau do you think it was something more? Coba comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Let's talk about the next one. The next live streamer we'll be talking about is Robbie, better known as Ripped Robbie. Jadi on the 22nd of May 2016, dia ada lakuin live stream playing his Xbox Live. Tapi before playing the game, dia tuh dapat a lot of issues. Jadi kayak ada connection issues, dia punya Skype suka mati nyala, ada suara-suara aneh. Mungkin itu bukan salah makhluk halus ya, tapi mungkin ya ada relationnya. Tapi nggak hanya itu, the longer that it went, the more Robbie diganggu. So let's look at the video rame-rame again. So kita lihat.
Hopefully we get lucky. You guys let me know.
There's like a mix of hatred, like pure hatred against me, but there's love, and then there's just the weird.
Ada yang ketok tadi.
Yeah, I swear to God, my house is haunted.
Man, I swear to God.
You guys had to have heard that on fucking stream.
Look at Mexico's
Hold on, dude. I just heard like knocking, and I'm the only one here. And it wasn't on my door. That shit sounded like it was in the closet behind me. But it wasn't like a knock. It was more of like a creaking, but it was a loud creak. Like it was like someone stepped on a wood floor, like.
Kaget gue. Tadi ini tolong disensor dong, kaget banget. Asli. Sejuk. Tuh kameranya dia jatuh-jatuh. Ada yang ketok. Terus Skype-nya dia mati nyala. Terus ada yang nge-give kenceng banget tadi.
Dude, stop.
Ada yang ngetok lagi tuh guys.
Did you fucking hear that, Anna?
Honestly, I kind of got goosebumps. Gak tau kelihatan gak sih? Gak kelihatan ya? Kelihatan gak dari jauh? Iya, but I got goosebumps. Tadi satu gara-gara I shock juga sih. Tapi kedua, can you imagine you're playing a game, terus ada yang ketok, terus like you're home alone. Like who's knocking? Terus tiba-tiba Skype you mati, you lagi ngobrol nih sama teman-teman. Terus tiba-tiba Skype you mati, terus ada yang ngetok. I would feel like I was about to die. Kayak mungkin ada murder atau bukan murder, sadako gitu. Like somewhere. That's so scary. I've never nggak pernah digangguin, tapi amit-amit ya jangan sampai digangguin juga ya. This is not a challenge. Cuman kayak, can you imagine kalian nih malam-malam lagi main Mobile Legends, terus tiba-tiba suara teman-temannya cut off. Cuma ada suara kayak the Mobile Legends sounds, terus tiba-tiba ada yang ketok atau tiba-tiba buka pintu tapi nggak ada yang masuk gitu kan. Serem lah ya. Okay, let's talk about the next one. Okay, last but not least, kita ngomongin a video live stream yang dilakuin by a gamer called Rubzy. Sebenarnya video ini udah ada dari 2016, tapi it turns out that it went viral again on 2020. So Rubzy, he was doing a live stream on a game called Elder Scrolls V Skyrim on his PS4 di apartemen temennya. Nah sebenarnya sebelum dia mulai live streamnya katanya he already had like a bad feeling. Tapi you know kayak bad feelings itu it's usually in your head. Jadi dia mikir kayak mungkin yaudahlah I'll just ignore this bad feeling and I'll play this game. But it turns out that his bad feeling itu ada benernya. Jadi firasat gak enak dia tuh ternyata something actually happened during the live stream, and let's watch it together.
But yeah, that was the tragic story of my my bringing down of my my dearest Lydia. Oh my. Come on.
Dia bawa kucingnya. Dia takut pasti.
Dude, the light, you just turned it off and it went back on.
Lampunya mati nyala guys tiba-tiba. Ew. So I'm looking at this door. It keeps on opening and closing sendiri. Tapi this guy, he's really brave ya. Kayaknya during tawa, kaget banget boy. Ih serem banget deh. Itu nggak pernah nonton horor kan? Terus boxnya gerak sendiri, gila. Lihat guys. Woi itu ditarik sih. Itu sakit jiwa sih, itu ditarik woi. Gak mau, ini pasti ditutup pintunya lagi kenceng nih. Okay, I'm gonna stop watching this video. It's 4 minutes long, guys. Jadi isinya cuman there was like a box falling over, lampunya tiba-tiba mati nyala, terus habis itu pintunya tutup buka gitu. Itu kayaknya agak sakit jiwa ya. I think itu setannya caper deh. Dia tuh kayak mau orang-orang tahu dia ada di situ gitu kan. But anyways, itu pengalaman mistis yang some gamers experience during the live stream. Menurut kalian yang mana yang paling menyeramkan? Because for me personally it was the last one. Itu serem banget. I cannot imagine kalau misalnya lagi main game terus tiba-tiba pintu buka, tutup. I was literally talking about it. I didn't know that it actually happened. Tapi gimana? Menurut kalian is this real atau menurut kalian ini cuman dilakuin for views? Misalnya itu box tadi yang jatuh itu ada yang tarik gitu, asistennya gitu tarik dorong biar rame gitu live streamnya. Terus kalau misalnya kalian sendiri pernah nggak punya experience kayak gini yang kayak mirip-mirip kalian lagi main game terus diganggu? Kalau me personally sih belum pernah ya kayak gitu, untung-untung. Cuman pernah sih pas aku lagi mandi and I was singing, terus tiba-tiba ada yang ikut nyanyi guys. She was like humming a different song like kayak gitu, and it was like a completely different song, saking beda banget. Aku tuh pikir kayak maybe itu Mbak Ai lagi Smule. Jadi Mbak Ai tuh dulu suka nyanyi-nyanyi di Smule. Dia tuh kayak artis Smule gitu guys. Tapi kita nggak cerita itu ya. Anyways, kalau misalnya kalian ada video-video yang mirip video di sini yang tentang gamers juga yang belum masuk ke Neror episode hari ini, kalian boleh banget komen di bawah with the link and feel free to comment new ideas for the next Neror episode. And thank you so much buat kalian yang udah nonton. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Jangan lupa like, comment, subscribe. Follow my YouTube and Instagram Dilifirnata. And thank you so much buat Kak Nessie for giving me this opportunity. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next content. Bye-bye. So, without further ado, I'm gonna be talking about kayak cut ya bentar. So for today kita bakal lihat penampakan oke. Okay. So without further ado, stop senyum-senyum because shit's about to go down.